you actually get DeX on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, and it's not just any old DeX either. It is the updated brand new DeX. USB cable, Z Flip 6. The weird thing though is it doesn't quite work out of the box. As you saw, when I just plugged it in, it simply starts mirroring the phone. But you have to enable Android developer options, go into force desktop mode, restart your phone, and then you get this. So this is not your regular DeX mode like you get on the Fold devices. This is like what you get on the tablet. So it's called New DeX. And basically what you're seeing here is my phone is connected via USB to my monitor, and my mouse is also connected to my phone, and you can see I can just open things, drag things around. So I must say this is something I really missed on the Z Flip 4, and this is a game changer for those of you who want to take your small little device around and just have a full desktop experience with just a USB cable. Big props to Samsung for doing this.